In 1908, a mysterious fireball exploded over Siberia with the force of 1,000 Hiroshima bombs. This is Wiki to Video 2min explain Tunguska event in Wikipedia. The sky tore open as a bluish light, brighter than the sun, streaked across the morning. Near the horizon, a flash erupted into a billowing cloud, and a pillar of fire, a shockwave, audible like artillery fire, radiated outward, knocking people off their feet. It shattered windows hundreds of kilometers away and registered on seismographs across Eurasia. The explosion flattened 80 million trees across an area the size of a major city. But at the epicenter, the trees stood eerily upright, scorched and stripped of their branches. Scientists expected a massive crater, but when they arrived decades later, they found none. The ground was scarred, but the object that caused the devastation had vanished. The leading theory is an airburst. A stony asteroid exploded miles above the ground. The immense pressure and heat vaporized the asteroid before it could hit the Earth. This created a blast of thermal energy that scorched the forest below. For nights after, skies over Europe and Asia glowed brightly enough to read by. Ice particles high in the atmosphere, dust from the explosion, reflected the sunlight. Researchers found tiny spheres of extraterrestrial metal embedded in the trees. Chemical analysis showed high levels of nickel and iron, just like a meteorite. The event was so powerful it may have temporarily punched a hole in the ozone layer. Some scientists even proposed it was a comet, made of ice that completely vaporized. But recent models point to a stony asteroid. It's about 50 meters wide. It likely approached at a shallow angle, exploding with a force of 30 megatons. The mystery deepened with Lake Checo. A small lake, some think is an impact crater, but sediment studies suggest the lake is older, leaving the airburst theory strongest. The Tunguska event remains the largest impact in recorded history. It serves as a stark reminder of the destructive power lurking in our solar system. A similar, but smaller, airburst injured over 1,000 people in Chelyabinsk in 2013. Tunguska proves that sometimes the greatest mysteries leave no trace behind.